Hyperliquid ETF products saw a significant surge in trading volume this week, with activity jumping by 50% on Wednesday alone. This increase is notable because it came during a period when most major financial assets, including stocks, bonds, gold, and Bitcoin, were trading lower. Meanwhile, Hype, the token linked to these ETFs, continued to rise, gaining 16.31% in the last 24 hours to $56.50. The token has now risen 120% since the start of the year. The growing interest in Hyperliquid ETFs is being driven by this strong token performance and the expanding role of the Hyperliquid platform in crypto derivatives trading. Two of the funds, from Bitwise and 21 Shares, have generated nearly $41 million in total traded value since their launch earlier this month. This is an unusual pattern for new ETFs, which typically see a strong opening day spike followed by a decline in activity. Analysts are taking notice. Bloomberg ETF analyst Balchunas. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Describe the sustained trading volume as very rare for newly launched ETFs, pointing out that most funds either slow down sharply after launch or remain inactive for months. He also noted that the timing of the Hyperliquid ETF launch was strategic. It occurred during a period of broad market weakness, which made the performance of Hype and the ETFs more attractive by contrast. The Hyperliquid platform has been gaining traction in the crypto derivatives space, and the ETFs are now drawing attention as a new vehicle for exposure to Hype. The fact that these ETFs are seeing continued trading volume suggests that investors are not only interested in the token's performance, but also in the platform's broader potential. As more people trade these ETFs, it could signal a shift in how investors are choosing to access crypto assets through regulated, exchange-traded products rather than direct token purchases. This could have implications for institutional adoption and regulatory clarity in the crypto space. However, the long-term success of these ETFs will depend on whether the current momentum can be sustained. If Hype's price continues to rise and the ETFs maintain strong trading activity, it could indicate growing confidence in both the token and the Hyperliquid ecosystem. On the other hand, if the price of Hype corrects or the ETFs see a drop in volume, it may suggest that the initial enthusiasm is fading. The next. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Key signal to watch is whether the Hype token can maintain its upward trajectory and if the ETFs continue to attract new investor flows. Analysts are also keeping an eye on broader market conditions, as a reversal in the current downtrend for stocks and crypto could impact investor sentiment and trading behavior. For now, the Hyperliquid ETFs are defying the broader market weakness, and their performance could serve as a barometer for investor confidence in crypto-linked ETFs moving forward.